I get this question all the time. Why is Sandler Training different? And I've been trying to figure out how can I explain it in a way that makes sense. And it goes back to how do you approach the prospect? How do you help them figure out what they're doing and why they're doing it? In this example, we're gonna use, let's say, objections. Anybody in sales ever got an objection before? I know I have. Let's see how the traditional salesperson handles objections. So I have my friend Craig here, who is our prospect. I am the traditional salesperson, and I am ready to help Craig figure out his needs and what he wants. But here come the objections. And so Craig is gonna start giving objections. And as the salesperson, it's my job to handle those objections so that I can close the business. That's what I'm gonna do as a salesperson. I sure wish the objections would come faster though, so I could get over them. So, in traditional sales, this is what it's like. We gotta see how the traditional salesperson handles objections. As you could see, it's painful. It's not fun. It's not fun for the salesperson, and it's not fun for the prospect. And here's why Sandler's different, and here's why it works. The only person capable of closing business is the prospect. It's the person who's looking for a service or looking for a product. You have to figure out how can you help them overcome their own objections. That's what the Sandler process is all about. So in this example, I am actually the prospect. I am here buying a service from my friend Craig. So as I'm buying my services, let's pretend I come up with an objection. So my objection, who knows, how did I get there? So my objection is my own problem. And as a buyer, obviously I still got objections, but it's not my job to share them if I can overcome them myself. So that's why Sandler works. It's not about the salesperson overcoming objections. It's about you helping your buyers overcome their own objections. So this is Justin with Sandler Training, and that is the Sandler difference.
As you can see, walking on Legos is a ton of fun. Here's why the analogy works. Because the Legos, they are the objections. And in every scenario, your prospect does have objections that they need to overcome. They have reasons that they don't think they should buy your product. But it's not your job to overcome them. It's your job as a sales professional to ask questions and help them uncover, should I indeed move forward or not? Either way is fine. But your job as a sales professional is just to ask great questions to help them think through, is this a real objection or is this just a smokescreen? So if you'd like help figuring out this process, join us for this 30-day sales challenge where we're going to help you uncover how to handle objections through asking questions, how to help your prospects uncover their compelling reasons to change, and how to get results faster. If you'd like to join us for this 30-day challenge, go ahead, click the link below. You'll get all the details needed in order to get signed up.